Good afternoon, I'm Kate Fullen with Emerge Financial Wellness. Emerge is an employee benefit company with a financial wellness program featuring next-day emergency loans for workers. This is our founding year, and we've already launched 100 employers, and we have 5 financial institutions live on our platform. So I look forward to sharing more with you today. To understand what we're doing, we have to take a look at what workers are experiencing today in the workplace. Workers are experiencing extreme financial distress. Nearly half of all workers report that they're living paycheck to paycheck with little or no savings in case of a financial emergency. This translates into a huge and diverse population of workers with even less access to credit than they had 5 years ago. They are experiencing systematic and ongoing financial distress. They also, however, make up an incredibly large, target audience with huge economic potential and power. So where do these workers go when they have a financial emergency? 30 years ago, most of these workers would turn to their employer to get a payroll advance. Since then, this has largely been outsourced to the alternative lending predatory industry. To give you a sense of how big that industry is today, there are now more payday loan shops in the US than all of the Starbucks and McDonald's combined. This paints a picture of the clear distress that workers are experiencing as they try to meet day-to-day needs, as well as when an emergency cash needs arises. We do not think that this is the solution to build long-term worker stability, so we try to find a better solution that works for banks, that works for workers, as well as employers. Our company has emerged as that solution. We aim to give workers better access to products that are both inclusive and profitable for banks. Through our financial wellness program, workers can access next-day emergency funds that are paid back through their paychecks. We also engage workers with 12 months of targeted education and financial literacy, as well as one-on-one financial coaching. Through a new, unique partnership that we have with Experian, we are now able to offer free monthly credit scores reports to all of our enrolled users. Emerge is sold as an employee benefit to employers that reduces stress in the workplace and increases productivity. Our workers are able to build their credit, they are able to gain access to mainstream banking relationships, and our bank partners are able to make profitable small dollar loans as well as grow their consumer base and build their business banking relationships. When an employee has a financial emergency, they apply online at emergebenefit.com. It's a 30-second pre-qualification and a 10-minute loan application. The loans are funded next day by one of our financial institution partners, and the loans are repaid automatically through a payroll deduction or direct deposit split. We are able to do this through our innovative risk model, which takes into account 25 job stability and community stability factors. We have developed what we believe to be is a new asset class in terms of our workplace loan that is paid back through the paycheck. We make money in a number of different ways. We share in the interest and fees from our financial institution partners on the loans that we facilitate. We also share in the bounty on any additional products sold, as well as a per employee per month fee paid to us by employers for all benefits eligible employees. We are proud to be live with 100 employers nationwide, and as we grow this business through large Fortune 500 distribution channel partners, we are now also launching our financial wellness program for financial institutions who wanted to be able to sell their products more efficiently to their user base. We're doing this through behavioral segmentation, which allows us to couple financial wellness with product awareness into targeted marketing campaigns to their users. As I mentioned, we have 5 financial institutions live and lending on our platform. Of the employers that we have signed, we're seeing upwards of 25% utilization, which means we have a very highly engaged customer base. Our team has unique and deep experience. Our CEO, Jonathan Harrison, ran a community bank for a number of years. He has several successful startup ventures. We've really relied on the strength of our partners over our first 18 months. Our risk model partners worked with Fair Isaacs for 20 years. Our loan origination partners, Endera, they are leaders in online loan workflow management. Before the year's out, we will have made more than 1,000 loans, and we're going to do this by continuing to sell into higher verticals, including large benefits brokers and large insurance carriers. As we continue to remove the risk from our business model, we hope to amplify the success we've had with our workplace benefit, as we bring our financial wellness program to banks and credit unions as part of their customer acquisition and consumer strategy. In phase 2, we hope to add more employers to our platform, as well as continue to diversify our revenue streams. Eventually, we see possibility for acquisition by either a large EAP, payroll provider, benefits broker, or large insurance carrier. There are a number of opportunities to play in our sandbox. We are looking for 10 to 20, we're looking to plug in 10 to 20 financial institutions in the next year, both on our lending platform, as well as launching the financial wellness program for their membership base. We are also looking for social investors. We are a social enterprise company as we nudge our end users towards more long-term financial stability. Thank you so much.